We had a problem with a fault with the service connector. This is a high voltage service connector. Okay, we have done some checks on the car. Have a look a bit on the wiring. For the media, we kind of leave it on the side. For now, we focus on having the car running. Now, what we had a problem with a fault with the service connector. This is a high voltage service connector. Every high voltage battery will have a service connector whereby the battery gets isolated. This one was left disconnected at some point, we don't know where, but there is another major fault code that is quite concerning. If you come around, I'll show you what it is. It's quite concerning from a cost point of view. So we are running a new test plan on the car, and then we just want to see exactly what faults were left. So this is exactly the fault that I'm talking about. In the hybrid EV battery pack, we have this particular fault: replace EV battery. Now, we made an inquiry. The high voltage hybrid battery on this particular car from the dealers is £32,000. Yes, £32,000. That's absolutely ridiculous. Probably more than the car is in my worth at this moment in time. So, but the fault, it can be generated if the voltage drops in the battery, and it happens very often when the vehicles are staying for a long time. The voltage goes down, battery gets depleted, and then up to a certain level, the control units trigger a fault that the battery is no longer safe, or even if the cells inside the battery, they're not balanced. So this is where we are at the moment. We have to do more search on it. We might even come to the stage that we have to drop the battery in order to have it assessed, see if it can be charged, see how the cells are, and things like that. But yeah, keep close to see how this is going to turn up.